Pool line
Anyone
is
who
becoming-
wants to go to war with Phrygia, go down to Asia.
Yeah, already fighting him.
Hey,
Hey,
he's got 160k on my side of the strait.
If that comes over here, then I'm fucked. I've just
Okay.
lost 100k manpower fighting Moria, so...
I'm winning so far.
I sent Phrygia a threatened war for a city, so I'm waiting to see what it'll do.
Oh, you should have just decked.
Pardon?
Should have just decked on him.
I wish, but I'm in a war with Atropania.
Yeah, but I've declared on them.
Wait, you declared?
I'm at
Okay.
war with Phrygia, which is why you should have gone to war.
I might be able to
Okay.
stack wipe him. I think I'm going to be able to stack wipe him.
What, all 100 and...
All 160k, yes.
Oh my god.
My fleet is docked in the tile where he is fighting as soon as he retreats. Because I'm winning, I'm going to bring my boats out.
What do you mean that when they come-
Did you do it?
160,000 men are now fucking dead.
Wow!
Phrygia now has the least amount of troops in the
Sorry.
game. He has nothing.
Stormraven, would you like peace now?